In this quick video, I'll show you step-by-step how to install Python on your Windows computer, even if you're a complete beginner. And by the end, you'll be able to run your first Python command like this. So, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to python.org/download, the official Python website. Then, hover over the Downloads tab, where the current version will be displayed. Click on it to start the download. Once the download is complete, run the installer and minimize your browser to proceed with the installation. Now, check both boxes Install for all users and Add Python to Path. Then click Install Now to start the installation. Now close the installer and let's check if Python is installed correctly. Now click on the Start menu. Type CMD in the search box. Then, select Run as Administrator from the menu. Now type Python -- version and hit Enter. If you see the version number like this, you've done it right. Let's take it one step further. Type Python and hit Enter. Now you're inside the Python shell. Type something like print hello world and press Enter. Boom! Python is working. And that's it. Python is installed, ready to go, and you just ran your first command. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Got stuck? Drop a comment. I reply to everyone.